no. Sis, eating it. Sis, what is that? Mike. He's picking up dirt, Mommy. Dirt.
See, oi.
It's dirt. Dirt. Hey. Yeah, right.
I can tell you're under the pool. You have not turned into a pool. You have not turned into a pool.
The ball's right there. You just threw the ball right next to our neighbor. Who's gonna get it? Has to be one small ninja has to get it. I think he wants to play ball, I think. Hey, anybody want to go get it? Because the ball is right next door. Go get it then. I think one person ninja can get it. It's stuck.
See, oi.
I don't know what the heck it is.
Oh, see me.
What's trying to eat?
Meat up.
See me.
He's trying to eat what?
Noodles.
Go eat. No,
Yeah.
no, no.
No one, no eat.
That's Noah.
Noah.
My baby.
Noah. I might have a treat inside. Noah, follow me. Noah, I might have candy. Follow me.
Look, Noah's from your show too, sis. Oh, the whole Noah was so fucking long.
Super jug.
You need some more? Hey sis, you know what that is, huh? Looks like sparkling water. Hey sis, there's one over there and one over there.
There's soda in it? I think the sparkling water before. It's good.
I think you try. You know what try one. It's good. It's Jones.